With the new iOS 26 update, Apple has added a poll feature to iMessage. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to run polls in iMessage with iOS 26. Now let's get started. If you haven't updated your iPhone yet, check out this video to learn how to upgrade to iOS 26. To run a poll in iMessage, open the Messages app and open the conversation you want to run a poll in, or start a new one. Tap the plus sign on the left. Then select Polls. Now type in all the options you want to allow your friends to vote between. You can have up to 12 options in an iMessage poll. If you like, you can send a message along with your poll to provide additional information. When you're ready, send your poll in your chat. When your friends view your poll, they can simply tap the option they want to vote for. You'll be able to see which options everyone selects. If needed, you can add more options even after sending your poll. Tap Add Choice, then type in the additional options you want to add. Send your poll in your chat. Any existing votes will remain intact, and your poll will be updated with your additional options. Voters can tap their existing vote to remove them, and vote for something else if they change their mind. That's all it takes to run polls in iMessage with iOS 26. To learn about more new features in iOS 26, check out our full playlist of iOS 26 tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.